So ụbọchị nke atọ ihe anyị ga-amụ egwu. Okay, so again, like I said, if you're already fluent in Igbo, just teach them any song that you know today in Igbo. It has to be short though, okay? Short, so typically not more than 5 lines, okay? It could be 3 lines even, so 5 lines or less, okay? We're keeping it simple. Even if the song has many stanzas, starts with 1 stanza or even half a stanza. Okay, the idea is just to get them speaking, singing in Igbo. Okay, so ideally 2 or 3 lines, but if you up to 5 should be okay, depending on the age of your child. Again, it can be even 1 line. Okay, I'll give you an example. So my daughter made up this song. She made it up in English, and I translated it in Igbo for her. Okay, so you can use it, and it's an I spy. You know how you play I spy with kids. You say, I spy something beginning with the letter D. What is it? So they can say dog. So it has to be something you're spying. You're going to choose a particular room in the house. You don't have to be in that room at the time. That's a kitchen. Okay, so you're going to be spying things that are normally found in the kitchen. So even if you're not in the kitchen at that moment, even if you're in the car driving, don't worry about it. You tell your child, let's pretend we're in the kitchen. Okay, you're going to tell me what you can see, and we're going to do a song in Igbo. Okay, and the song goes like this. So I'll say what it is in English first, and I'll sing it. Okay, so yeah, the song goes like this. You are in the kitchen, what can you see? And then the child says, I see mommy eating her food, or something like that. Okay, or actually it can also go like this. You were in the kitchen, what did you see? I saw daddy sitting on a chair. Okay, so in Igbo, Inonu seku kedi horo. The child will say, Ahoro munem neri. Okay, so you're the parent, you're singing to the child. Inonu seku kedi horo. The child will answer, Ahoro munem neri. So this particular one I sang is, you were in the kitchen, what did you see? I saw my mom eating. Inonu seku kedi huru. Ahuru munem neri. Okay, so that's it. See how simple that is. That's it. You just choose one and do it, because you can always do this and another. So you know, we have this is for 5-day challenge. So for 1 week, once we've done this week, next week you can do that song on another day with another sentence, so she can learn something else. So say maybe she can then see something else in the kitchen. But for now, this is enough, okay? And inonu seku kedi huru. Ahuru munem neriri. Dalo. Kadi na ubali odiro fele. Jessica odiro fele. See you on day 4.